Welcome to this Yoga Nidra practice, a journey inward where we will connect with our creative mind and allow clarity to unfold naturally. Today we explore the space between thoughts, the quiet space where intuition whispers, where the most aligned intentions arise effortlessly. Find a comfortable position lying down, ensuring that your body is fully supported. You may wish to place a cushion under your knees, a blanket over your body, or wear an eye pillow to deepen relaxation. And now gently close your eyes and begin to shift your awareness inward. Feeling the ground beneath you, holding you effortlessly. There is nowhere to go, nothing to do. You are simply here, resting, receiving, allowing. Bring awareness to your breath and notice the gentle rise and fall of your belly. Without need to change it, just observing the natural rhythm of your breath. As you inhale, imagine a wave of ease moving through your body, and as you exhale, feel tension melting away, dissolving into the earth beneath you. And now allow your awareness to travel through the body, gently awakening and softening each part. Bring your awareness to the space between your eyebrows, feeling this area soften and expand, as if opening a doorway to new ideas. Allow your jaw to completely relax, creating space for effortless expression. Your shoulders melt, release, as if unburdening yourself from the weight of unnecessary thoughts. Your hands, the fingers, opening gently, ready to receive new insights. And your heart center, spacious, receptive, filled with warmth and light. Your belly, soft, fluid, free to breathe fully and deeply. And your entire body now is resting in openness, in space where creativity can flow freely. And now imagine yourself standing in front of a vast open field. The air is fresh, the sky endless. This is the field of possibility, the space where all ideas, inspirations, and intentions already exist, just waiting to be received. As you take a step forward, you feel yourself entering a state of pure potential. Here, there are no limitations, no expectations, no right or wrong, just an open invitation to explore what is possible for you today. What is it that's calling you right now? What makes you feel alive within? What qualities do you wish to embody today? Perhaps a word arises, a feeling, an image, or maybe just a quiet knowing. trusting whatever comes without analysing. Simply receive. And now allow these questions to flow into your awareness, letting your intuition respond without any effort. If I could move through today with absolute clarity, how would I feel? What energy do I wish to bring into my day? What would I do differently if I fully trusted in myself? And what is one word or phrase that encapsulates the energy I want to embody today? There's no need to force an answer. Whatever arises naturally is just perfect. And if nothing arises, simply trust that clarity will come in its own time. And now take this intention, this word, phrase or feeling, and allow it to settle into your entire being, as if planting it deep within the fertile soil of your subconscious mind. Feel this energy expanding within you, filling every cell, radiating outward like warm sunlight. Visualize yourself moving through the day ahead, embodying this energy fully. How does it feel to walk with this intention? To speak, to act, to connect from this space? Know that this intention is already alive within you, effortlessly guiding your day. And now bringing awareness back to the breath, feeling the gentle rise and the fall of your chest. Noticing the weight of your body resting against the surface beneath you. Begin to invite small movements, wiggling the fingers or the toes, maybe rolling the shoulders into the body. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel yourself fully present, fully awake, embodying this intention with you. Bring awareness to your head and gently rock it from side to side in a slow awakening. And when you feel ready, gently blink your eyes open, bringing this clarity, this energy into your day ahead. You are clear. You are aligned. You are ready. Namaste.